Hello. Today in class we are going to talk about percentages, you all. In life you often come across the following sign. That is the manner in which the cookie crumbles. So what is the significance of this sign, and how do you convert it into the language of mathematics? This particular sign is the symbol that represents percent. As a consequence, we have the ability to write it in this manner. However, what does it mean? The thing is, percentages are simply the same as fractions, only a unique type of fraction. Why is she so extraordinary? The matter at hand is, if I am going to take a look at a fraction, or rather represent a percentage as a decimal number, then I will have to write the number divided by 100. That is the complete extent of the information pertaining to percentages. The crucial aspect to comprehend is that when I jot down a value as 1%, I have the ability to represent it as the fraction obtained by dividing 1 by 100. So, 1% is 1 part out of 100. And based on this definition, we can write and understand what the following entries mean. If I write down 10%, what will that mean? The thing is, if we say that 10% can be written as a decimal number, then for this decimal number, the denominator will be 100 and the numerator will be 10. So 10 out of 100, 10% is equal to 0.10. If we simplify this fraction, we'll get 0.1. So 10% means 0.1 of something whole. Obtains a fraction equal to 1/10 of a whole. Therefore, any percentage can be represented as an ordinary fractional number by using regular fractional notation, which is a common method of expressing fractions. Now we're going to try it, folks. So, if I write 25%, then to write it as a special fraction, I'll write 100 in the denominator and 25 in the numerator, and I'll get the fraction 0.25. It's a shot worth taking. Reduce 0.25 by 25 to get 1.4. 25% is 1 in 4. Write 50% as 0.5 in decimal. And in the event that we simplify this fraction, I will ultimately end up with 1.5, along with an additional 20%. Let us represent this as a decimal number. It is equal to 20 hundredths when expressed in decimal form. By decreasing this fraction by 20 in both the numerator and denominator, we obtain 1/5, which is equivalent to 20%, representing 1 part out of a total of 5. In the upcoming lessons, we'll learn to convert a percentage into a fraction and how to write a fraction as a percentage. That's it for today. Goodbye. See you next time.